Hi everybody, I hope everybody is happy, safe and healthy. Let's see what the cards have to say on occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. Here are the following messages and blessings for everybody involved. This is a timeless message, so if you are watching this message at any special festival related to Ganpati Bappa and if you feel resonated, then this message is definitely for you. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first blessing is oh, the blessing of motherhood. So, when I look at this card can also mean new beginnings, taking care of a new project that you have started working on, or a new habit that you are wanting to build. So, you need to look at that new venture, opportunity, habit, or even your new child with a lot of kindness, warmth, and this whole beautiful feeling of being there, present, and feeling the love, unconditional love for that thing. So right now ऐसा हो रहा होगा, whatever you are engrossed and engaged into doing, whatever you have started, you are probably not feeling present, with that thing or that person or the situation. You probably sometimes get distracted and then you end up blaming yourself, or you may feel you're not doing enough, and what you do realize what you have is precious. So for example, if it's for weight loss, then looking at this card, I feel you have that in you to be gentle and kind to yourself and then help yourself in weight loss. But instead of that, you are cursing yourself, you are demeaning yourself, you are letting yourself down, and that is backfiring, and you are not able to focus fully on what is the need of the hour, weight loss or good health. So that is something. Second, some of you will actually spend time um, taking care. So this is very such a beautiful card. A lot of you have spent hours and hours in planning the Ganeshotsav at your vicinity in your home, and you are so attached to it that the god is sending through this card. The god is acknowledging everything that everybody has done. You've literally taken care of Ganpati Bappa. You've seen to it like he's been taken care of like a baby. So this is also like a acknowledgement, and this is such a beautiful card. um, this is a mother and a child, so everything related to a mother and a child. It's like as if goddess Parvati is sending you a message: take care of my child, and I know you are going to, and that's why I'm sending him to you, so that you can take care of my child. And this is such a beautiful card. This card also gives me a message that you need to start taking care of yourself. You're not taking care of yourself. Sometimes it's important to be the mother and the child of yourself at the same time, if that makes sense. A lot of you will also go for spa treatments like hair care and stuff, so that is also on the way. Let's see what the second blessing is. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh my god, whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking, this is a direct signal that you are divinely supported and protected. My god, such a beautiful card. The purple in this card is standing out for me, and obviously the mantra, Bij mantra Om, is standing out for me. So when I connect the Bij mantra Om and purple color, it straight up gives me a message. And Ganesh Bappa, and Bappa is also looking up. It's as if a lot of you have been just been in a fix, and you have felt helpless, and you have just looked up into the sky and you have prayed, oh my god, please help me, please support me, I don't know where to go. Those moments have been looked by god, and they are going to guide you. uh, Om, the Bij mantra, is standing out so perfectly. It's like your connect from your crown chakra to divine is so active right now, and the God is literally giving you this beautiful signal that I am there, I am everywhere, and you need to look at the right place for me. You need to ask me the help at the right time when you feel it's important, and I will come to your rescue. I will help you find the way. Believe me and trust me, and I am supporting you. If you see how Ganpati Bappa is slowly closing his eyes and then his hand is up while facing the sky, um, it denotes to me that Bappa is looking and even completely surrendering, and he's in awe at the divine guidance, and he's searching for it. But it's a clear sign what you're finding is up. This can also mean quite literally look up, okay, for a lot of you. I don't know what that message means, but it's something. Bappa's healthy tummy also stands out for me. So a lot of you are probably praying for the birth of a child, and you have been अपने शायद गणपति बाप्पा से मन्नत मांगी है, you know, for that. So that is also that was the right thing to do. Some of you are actually thinking, did I कि मैंने गणपति बाप्पा से for whatever reason मन्नत मांगी है तो सही किया है क्या? So yes, you've done the right thing. The God is saying, look up and trust us. That's what this card means. So this is such a beautiful blessing. Oh my God, I'm so happy for those who are divinely supported, and I feel so happy looking at this card. All right, now the last blessing is, oh wow, perseverance. So whenever I see this card, we all know what Bappa used the piece of his trunk for. He used it as a pen to write an epic saga. We all know the story of how he used it. Now, when I listen to this story where Bappa cut off his own tusk, part of his tusk, it means he must have endured some pain. कुछ तो दुख हुआ होगा. However, he held it with dignity, he held it with pride, and he knew that this task had a proper purpose, and that is why we call Bappa Ekdant, right? He's showing that dant to us. He's saying that अगर कुछ पाना है, इस लूजली इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इट, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ेगा. बट आई डोंट वांट टू स्प्रेड दैट मैसेज. द मैसेज दैट आई वांट टू स्प्रेड इज दैट इफ़ यू वांट, so one of my mentors used to use this message: in order to be there, and you need to get there. Yes, if you are here, then you won't get there. It's a very famous book also, and this message literally, I feel that is the message over here. अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ हासिल करनी है, the right way is, if you know that the right way is mehnat through some hard way, so that luck starts favoring you, so that your energy is transformed, you need to take that step, or you need to start thinking. Now look at these beautiful cards, okay? The first card was 38, then it's 48, and then it's 28. For me, the presence of 888 is showing up, and I am so happy that you found these cards. These are such important messages that Bappa wants to give us, and this card especially is standing out the most. It's as if Bappa is saying, yeah, I know you're going to take care of me when I'm going to come for Ganesh Utsav, but I'm also going to miss my mom, and I trust you that you're going to take care of me. And this Ganesh Utsav, a lot of you are also so I can if you form a story, Ganpati Bappa has decided to come to you because you have prayed to him, you have asked for his help, but he will help you with his divine support and his divine weapons and his divine knowledge and skills if you do the things in the right manner. And oh my God, this is such a beautiful message that I think of spreading with you. I hope this helps, and I hope a lot of doubts have been answered, a lot of thinking has come to surface. Lots of love and power to everybody, and all the credit goes to my mentors.